Dream Destiny destinations. Explore the world beyond borders. Discover history, nature, and unforgettable journeys.
There is a place where the world seems to breathe slower, where the waves hush the busy thoughts of travelers, and each sunrise feels like the first ever seen. This is Samoa, a cluster of volcanic islands deep in the South Pacific. Here, nature's voice is louder than any city, and the rhythm of life follows the tides, not the ticking of clocks. The rainforest meets the shore, waterfalls spill over ancient cliffs, and the air is sweet with frangipani. In Samoa, you can walk for hours and hear only the call of birds or the distant laughter of children. Locals say, Samoa time with a smile. Everything happens slowly, with purpose, and always with respect for nature. To visit Samoa is to step into a story that has never been rushed, a living paradise. Samoa's landscape was born from volcanoes rising from the ocean floor. The two main islands, Upolu and Savaii, are covered in lush rainforests and ringed by coral reefs. Waterfalls tumble from ancient lava cliffs, feeding the rivers below. Gentle trade winds cool the air, bringing the smell of salt and flowers. There are no harsh winters, only sunshine broken by brief, heavy rains that keep the forests alive. The coastline is lined with soft white sand beaches and edged by black volcanic rocks. Turquoise lagoons stretch out to the horizon, full of bright coral and darting fish. Samoa's geography shapes its people and its culture. The land and sea are both home and history, and every Samoan carries this in their heart. Religion is at the heart of Samoan life. Most Samoans are Christian, and the islands are dotted with white wooden churches. Sunday is sacred. Hymns float through villages, and families gather for prayer and feasting. Yet alongside Christianity, the old beliefs still live. Spirits, ancestors, and legends of sacred places. Many homes keep a place for these spirits, connecting people to their deep past and the natural world. Families live in open-sided houses called fail, built from local wood and woven palms, letting the breeze and village voices flow through. Churches are built to impress, large, bright, and often the center of the community. The spirituality of Samoa is a blend with respect for both old and new beliefs. This respect is seen in the way Samoans treat each other, their land, and their traditions. Samoans are famous for their friendliness. A smile is the first greeting, and everyone is treated like family. Communities are close-knit, and neighbors help each other with everything, from fishing to building homes. Most Samoans live in small villages along the coast, where life moves with the sun and tides. Men fish in the early morning, women tend gardens, and children play in the shade. Elders teach stories and songs, passing on wisdom that is centuries old. Dance and music are woven into daily life. The siva, a graceful dance, tells stories of love, nature, and the sea. Drums and singing fill the evenings, especially during village gatherings. Living in harmony with nature is still the Samoan way. People harvest only what they need, and every part of a plant or fish is used. This respect for the environment forms the foundation of Samoan society. Samoan food is simple, fresh, and full of flavor. At the center of every feast is the umu, an earth oven where food is cooked over hot stones. Fish, chicken, and pork are wrapped in banana leaves and roasted with coconut cream, alongside taro and yam. Coconut is used in almost every dish, and tropical fruits are picked right from the trees. Cooking together is a social event, and every meal is shared. Special dishes are prepared for guests, and eating together is a sign of respect and love. The famous Fiafia evenings mix food and dance, with performers telling stories through movement and song. The fire knife dance, or Siva Afi, is a thrilling display of skill and tradition. Together, food and dance form the soul of Samoan culture, a celebration of life, community, and heritage. Life in Samoa is changing, but slowly. The capital, Apia, is a small city with colorful markets and just a few modern buildings. Cars and mobile phones are now part of daily life, but the pace is still gentle. Education is important. Children learn both English and Samoan and study their own history and customs. Many young people leave for work or study overseas, but most return, bringing back new ideas while keeping old values. Development in Samoa is careful and respectful. There are no high-rise hotels or crowded resorts. The government puts community first, and most businesses are family-owned. Tourism is growing, but the focus is always on protecting culture and nature. Samoa is proof that a country can grow without losing its soul. Samoa is a treasure trove of wildlife. In the forests, flying fox bats hang from tall trees, and tropical birds like the colorful menumea call from the canopy. Some species are found nowhere else on Earth, making Samoa a living laboratory for nature lovers. The coral reefs are just as rich. Parrotfish nibble at coral, sea turtles glide between rocks, and blue starfish dot the lagoons. Dolphins leap in the bays, and during certain months, humpback whales pass close to shore. Rainforests cover much of the islands, with giant banyan trees providing homes for countless creatures. Orchids bloom among the roots, and tiny lizards dart across sunlit leaves. Everywhere in Samoa, nature is respected and protected for future generations. Travelers come to Samoa searching for something rare, a place where the world still feels pure. The beaches are untouched, with water so clear you can see the sand below. Waterfalls invite you to swim, and rainforests promise adventure for those who wander their paths. But the true wonder of Samoa is how it makes you feel. Welcomed like family, at peace with the slow pace and closeness to nature. You feel it in the quiet mornings, the laughter at village feasts, and the calm of starry nights by the sea. Visiting Samoa is more than a holiday. It's a journey back to a simpler time, where old ways still matter. If you want to touch paradise, Samoa is waiting. Untouched, unhurried, unforgettable. Samoa is more than a destination. It is a living memory of an unspoiled world. To walk its beaches, swim in its waterfalls, and share in its traditions is to rediscover what it means to belong, to a community, to nature, to yourself. The islands are a bridge between past and present, where the old ways are cherished and the future is shaped with care. Samoa reminds us that true beauty lasts not because it changes, but because it is protected and loved. When you leave, you take a part of Samoa with you, a sense of peace and the hope that paradise still exists. Visit Samoa and you'll find a world untouched by time, a paradise that lingers in your heart.
Thank you for traveling with Dream Destiny Destinations. Subscribe and let the next adventure begin. See you in the next journey.